Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. We have a lot of people asking us, does yoga help with belly fat? Yes, it does, but we should understand that there are a lot of other things that we need to consider as well. Are you eating a clean diet? Are you resting enough? What are your stress levels? Once you address all of these factors and you have a consistent yoga practice, you can definitely work on belly fat. But let me tell you this, without considering all of these things, no number of crunches or navasanas or leg raises will help with belly fat. So what are we here to do today? Today we're going to do a practice that will help you to bring awareness to your abdominal muscles, help you to activate and engage them. And this is how you start to work on your abdomen, you start to work on that belly fat, along with working on your diet, your rest and stress. So let's get started. Lying down on your back, keep your feet hip width apart, arms by the sides of the body. Your spine, you keep it natural and neutral. What we're going to try to do is bring awareness to the pelvis. You take an inhale here, and as you exhale, draw your lower belly in and try and reduce the gap between your lower back and the floor. Inhale, exhale, suck the belly in and tilt your pelvis. Inhale, relax. Exhale. Inhale, relax. Exhale. We'll do it 2 more times so you can get comfortable with the movement. Inhale, relax. Exhale. Draw the belly in as much as you can. Inhale, relax. Last time. Exhale. Inhale, relax. You continue to keep your feet here. Now that you're comfortable with the movement, you know how your pelvis is moving. We're going to do this 3 more times, but this time, after we exhale, you're going to suck the belly in even more and hold the breath for 5 counts. Let's give that a try. Inhale, neutral pelvis. Exhale, draw the belly in, tilting the pelvis, suck it in more, hold. Inhale, relax, let it go. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, relax. One last time, give it your best one. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale completely, suck the belly in even more, hold. Inhale, relax, let it all go. Now, if this was comfortable with you, with your knees bent, you can stretch both the legs forward. Let's try this once. With the legs straightened out, it's a little more challenging to access the pelvis and tilt it. So let's give it a shot. Your arms can be by the sides of the body or at shoulder level. Take an inhale here. Feet are flexed. Exhale, suck the navel in. Hold. Inhale, relax. Nice. Go ahead, bend both knees. Keeping your pelvis tilted, belly drawn in. Exhale, hug your right knee into the chest. Inhale, leg down. Your belly stays in throughout. Exhale, left knee. Inhale, down. Exhale, right. Inhale, down. Exhale, left. Inhale, down. One more time. Exhale, right. Stay here. keeping the belly drawn in. Next exhalation, lift your forehead up towards the knee. Keep breathing, but belly stays in. Now, stretch your arms forward and try to stay up in this crunched position. Hold the knee again. Inhale, head down. Exhale, hug the knee. Draw your lower belly in more. Inhale, relax. Take a breather here, neutral pelvis. We're going to repeat this on the left side. Exhale, tilting the pelvis, draw your lower belly in. Inhale, exhale, hug the left knee, bring your forehead up towards the knee. Stretch the arms forward, stay in the crunch. Hug the knee once again. Inhale, head down. Drawing your belly in, hug a little tighter. Inhale, bring your foot down. Now, keeping your arms open at shoulder level, you're going to lift your feet off the mat, but parallel. So your calves are parallel to the floor. From here, again, tilting the pelvis, draw the lower belly in, keep your belly engaged. Lift only your right leg up. Inhale, bring the leg straight down. Try to keep it off the mat. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, bend the right knee. Take a breath here. Straighten your left leg up. Inhale, left leg down. Try not to touch the mat. And when you do this, make sure you're not letting go of the back. So you keep the belly drawn in. Lower back stays on the floor. Exhale, up. Inhale. Exhale, up. One more. Inhale. Stay. Exhale, lift up. Bend both your knees. Hug the knees into the chest. 3 breaths here, and on every exhale, you keep bringing the knees closer and closer to you. Following inhalation, feet on the mat, feet can be hip width apart. Setu Bandhasana. So when you do this, you're going to lift your hips up. Make sure you're not pushing the belly out. Your abdomen still stays drawn in. So keep the pelvis neutral, and as you inhale, press into the palms and feet. Lift up. You're stretching the belly here. Exhale. Keep your belly drawn in even as you come down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Stretch your legs forward, arms up, interlock and give yourself a big nice stretch. And relax. Turn to your right and you can slowly sit up. So that was a practice to engage and activate the muscles around your abdomen. The first posture that we did is called Tataki Mudra, and it helps to better your exhalation and engage your abdominal muscles. Helps to work on the Apanasana, which is helping in your excretion and better digestion. So that is the idea behind practicing Tataki Mudra. And once you get into that practice, you start getting comfortable, you keep that position and then you do your leg raises, Apanasana and the other things that we did today. So I hope this practice was really helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining us.